Welcome to Jyoti Hydroponics Farm videos. So let's get started to get better at farming. Today's session is all about preparing the seedling tray mixture to sow seeds in it. Absolutely. Making the perfect mix of seedling trays is like creating a cozy home for baby plants to grow big and strong. We use three special things. First, coco peat, second, perlite, and third is vermiculite. First, coco peat is like a superhero that holds onto water, giving the seeds just the right amount they need to grow. Second, perlite, it is like a helpful friend that keeps the coco peat fluffy and lets air in so the roots can stretch and grow. Third is vermiculite, and it is like a sponge, keeping the mix moist, helping plants get the food they need. To make sure our baby plants are safe from bugs and diseases, we use organic pesticides and fungicides to sterilize our complete mixture. It's like putting a protective shield around our plant friends. And just to be extra sure everything is super clean, we use something called hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, like a magical cleaning potion to keep away any tiny germs that might bother our plants. And that's the reason why we are sterilizing everything, the place, the trays, coco peat, everything. Practically speaking, our mix is like a superhero team for plants. It's light and easy to use, making it a breeze to fill up the trays where our little seeds will grow. Plus, it's like giving the plants their own happy place, a clean, cozy spot where they can start growing into strong and happy plants. In a nutshell, our seedling tray mix is not just a bunch of things mixed together, it's a caring recipe we have made to help baby plants to grow their best. From choosing the right ingredients to protecting against bugs and keeping things clean, we are making sure our plant friends have the perfect start in life. And all of this is done in a way that's friendly to the earth, like a little gift back to our planet. For more information, you can access the courses. We'll end the session here. See you in the next session, wherein we are bringing the complete crop cycle of tomatoes from seedling to the first harvest. So be connected. Goodbye and have a nice day.